Are you ready to uncover the secret to a healthier, more vibrant you? Let's dive into the amazing world of beetroots and discover why these humble roots are celebrated as a superfood powerhouse. First up, did you know that beetroots are packed with essential nutrients? They're loaded with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients are vital for maintaining our immune system, nerve function, and bone health. Next, beetroots are a fantastic source of dietary nitrates. When you consume them, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, which helps to relax and dilate blood vessels. This process can significantly lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. But that's not all. Beetroots are also rich in antioxidants, particularly betalains, which give them their vibrant red color. These antioxidants fight off harmful free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases. And let's talk about endurance and performance. If you're an athlete or just love staying active, you'll be thrilled to know that beetroots can enhance your physical performance. Studies have shown that consuming beetroot juice before exercise can improve stamina and reduce fatigue. Beetroots also support brain health. The nitrates in beetroots increase blood flow to the brain, which can improve cognitive function and may even protect against age-related dementia. Need a detox? Beetroots can help with that too. They contain betaine, a compound that supports liver function and helps detoxify your body. And for those looking to manage their weight, beetroots are low in calories and high in fiber. This combination can help you feel fuller for longer and support healthy digestion. So, how can you incorporate beetroots into your diet? It's simple. You can enjoy them raw, roasted, juiced, or even blended into a smoothie. The possibilities are endless, and the health benefits are undeniable. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a question. How will you start incorporating beetroots into your diet to kickstart a healthier new year? Let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned for more health-boosting tips in our next video. Until then, stay healthy and keep thriving.